I've got the power. No, really, I do. It's right here behind me. Welcome to Motherboards.org. I'm Eric Ferris. Today's video is about a brand new product from the people over at Cooler Master. You can see it right back behind me. It's the M2 Silent Pro 1500 watt silent power supply. Now, this thing's got a 5-year warranty. It's Silver Plus certified. It's got a 135 millimeter totally silent fan. It's modular, dual rail. And did I mention it's 1500 frickin' watts? It can power half the city. With that said, let's check out what comes in the box and what this damn thing's all about. So here we have it, folks, the new Cooler Master 80 Plus Silver 5-year warranty M2 Silent Pro 1500 watt power supply. You guys can see the box and all that good stuff. Now, the knife I'm using today in this video is the Defender knife, a nice little clicky little switchblade type knife, and that's what we're going to use for this unboxing. So we've got the box here. There's a big shiny little package coating around it. I'm going to go ahead and cut into that and remove it. It's like Christmas Day, only your wrapping is clear, so you know what's in your present. Oh wow, awesome present! What great wrapping! So we're going to unwrap it and act like kids on Christmas Day. Get all excited. Get the stuff all out of the way. It's kind of messy. So let's take a look at the box first. Here in the bottom right, we can see some of their specs. It says maximum 120 amp plus 12 volt dual rail, modular cabling, 135 millimeter HDB silent fan. Now let's just flip it around to the side. Here are all the actual specifications. I'll have the cameraman zoom in here. You guys can see the model number is the RS FU SPM2. That's kind of funny. It's the FU power supply. Here's the form factor. ATX 12 volt version 2.31. Active PFC. The fan type 135 millimeter. The silent hydraulic bearing. Mean time between failure 100,000 hours. That's a long time. It's got protection for OVP, UVP, OPP, OTP, SCP, and OCP. You guys might remember OCP. You guys remember them? RoboCop, OCP. That's right. Here's the dimensions. It's 150 by 220 by 86 millimeters, or 5.9 by 8.6 by 3/4 inches. There's some safety stuff on here. I'm not exactly sure what all these are. Efficiency is 88% typical, hence why it has the 80 plus silver. Here it has the connectors. It says mainboard 24-pin connector. We have 1. CPU 8-pin connector. We have 2. PCIe 8-pin times 6. PCIe 6 plus 2. We have 6. SATA times 12. 4-pin peripherals times 5. And 4-pin floppy 1. Down here, just some other additional nomenclature, the DC output, AC output, total power, which we know is 1500 watts, US type. So beyond that, let's actually hop in. Let's open the box up. This one's kind of interesting. I think it just flaps open from a flap somewhere. That's how my last one of these came. So it might be a bit different here. Nope, it's got a flap right here. Open that bad boy up. Ooh, wow. It smells new in there, all right. We got a little card in here from Cooler Master. Coolermaster.com. Limited warranty. Whew, I gotta say this thing has a very mechanical smell to it. Here's a warranty thing. I'll just go ahead and set that off to the side. Here is the user's manual. These power supplies also come in 720 watt, 850 watt, 1000 watt, and 1500 watt. This particular bad boy we're looking at, it comes to market at $399, but it is, you know, the most powerful beast you can get your hands on. We don't need this either. So let's start out by taking a look at just the power connection cable, and let's look how thick this beast is. Huge, huge cable. If I throw this to the cameraman, I'll probably dot his eye. Oh, he's getting bad. He says he can catch it. All right. I guess the camera must play for the Dodgers. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. You guys know I love the Dodgers. I'm an LA guy. So let's take a look at the cabling. I'm not going to go back and emphasize all the ones that we did because we talked about that a second ago, but here are the Molex and the SATA connectors here. There's a whole bunch of them. I don't want to get it all too dang messy out here, but I'll go ahead and just unravel them for you folks. See how much I love you? And unravel them all. These are cables. Trying to keep them all on the camera thing and stretch them all out. And cables. So lots of cables here. See these cables? Lots of those cables. And they would smell. They have like a rubber smell to them. Kind of like a car tire that's brand new. Now the next cable up, these are our additional 2, 6, 4, and 8-pin connectors. Next up are PCIe connectors. These are the cables that you use on your video cards. Got a lot of those. Lots of great video card support there. Go ahead and remove this. Now, some people are going to complain. They're going to say that this isn't a completely modular power supply. Now, you guys know we've had this argument hundreds and hundreds of times on the channel. Everybody agrees. There's no real reason to make your power cables modular. You have to have them on there, and it makes a much bigger risk with the connection of breaking when you have them that way. And a 1500 watt power supply that costs $400, I don't even want these to be modular. Why I want modular are these things right here. Now check out this design right here. It's got a cool slot design that makes it very easy to put the cables in. You just get one of your little cables from over here, plug it right into the modular design. Very, very easy. This type of cabling, very easy to hide inside a system as well. Go ahead and just unplug that. Let's take a look at all the power cabling. That's all right here in this big old bunch up here. So I try to unravel it. Oh, the secret of the stone. All right, here we go. So here are all our different power cables. Additional video cables as well. Got your 6 to 8 pin, your 8 pin. Got those, plus all your power stuff all on that. So pretty cool stuff. All modular? No, but it's all sleeved, which is really cool. I like this. This design is really good. Cooler Master's gone all out. Here's that fan we were talking about, the Cooler Master. The nice hydraulic one that's supposed to be totally silent. We'll have to see when we plug it in. Got that right there. Let's show you the side of the fan. The M2 Silent Pro, 1500 watts. Yes, I am mean, I am mad. I am your daddy. Here's the top side. Gives the product numbers in Chinese, I believe. ATX 12 volt, 2.31. EPS 12 volt, 2.92. So, once again with the RS-FU SPM2D3 nomenclature. Last but not least, here's the back of the power supply. And it has an on-off switch. Now you guys have heard me complain before because a lot of the people that were making high-end power supplies were not putting an on-off switch. They said it was too risky. And a lot of us reviewers said, come on, that's complete bullshit. I want to be able to turn my power supply off before I unplug it. And so now everybody's doing that. Really good. Hats off to Roy Harper over there at Cooler Master for getting this done. So this is pretty much it, guys. I mean, this is going to be the highest power supply that you're going to be able to get your hands on. It's 1500 watts, semi-modular, dual rail. Lots of good stuff, 5-year warranty. I mean, really, what else can you ask for? So that's it, everybody. I mean, if you have a system out there, you want to run Quad-SLI, you want to run Quad-Crossfire, you want to have a big system using one of those dual motherboards like from EVGA or the people over at Asus, this is probably going to be the power supply you're going to want to look at. Like I said, it comes to market at $399, and check out the link below with some suggestions on where you can go buy this bad boy. See you guys back here when we build a system with this thing.